Guess where we're going? Want to tell them, Ma?
Bath and Body Works, 75% off.
Woohoo!
Can't get any better than that.
Nope, you can't. And I haven't went for a while. Mom went last year, but I haven't went for a while. And
once a year we go.
Comment below, what is your favorite thing to get at Bath and Body Works? Mine is those little wallflower scents, and I usually try to get the winter Wonderland.
Maybe.
Winter vanilla is my favorite scent to get from Bath and Body Works. So I'm taking you guys with us. Why not? And we will see what they have there. Maybe I will do a giveaway.
And it's New Year's Day and they're open.
And it's New Year's Day. Yes, it is New Year's Day and they're open. So, hello. Anyway, maybe I'll find some stuff and do a giveaway. Bath and Body Works giveaway for you guys. Maybe.
Well, don't get them all excited.
Well, if you're saying
maybe.
If I said it, I will. I'll find something. Right? And she has a coupon.
Yep.
She has a $10 off coupon.
And those 25% off. I could use both.
No, you can't. It's only one coupon per person, I bet you. One coupon per customer. Well, if you can't use it, I'll use it.
Try.
Wait. Okay, so I'll use your $10 off. No. Yeah. No, it's $10
You
off.
have to buy 40 to get $10 off.
Okay.
You're using your 25.
I'm going to end up buying 40, so you'll put some stuff on mine, and then we'll get $10 off.
Why don't you go onto the site and see if you can get a $10 off coupon on your own?
No, because I don't know.
You might be able to. If you go on the site. Do you have a site?
I don't know.
You have your own. Go to your promotions in your mail. It's where I got the 25% off.
It's getting difficult.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're in Westbrook, by the way. It's far from
Westbrook.
An hour. It's an hour.
It's worth the hour.
You know what? I was thinking where we live is perfect. Like, we're right in the middle of everything.
Yeah, we are.
Everything. We're in the middle.
Yes, we are. We're a half an hour away from everything.
Everything. Even New York City is only like 45 minutes away.
Yeah. Yeah, an hour.
New York City is about an hour away. Hartford is about an hour away.
Yeah.
Bridgeport, which is a big city, is 20 minutes away.
No.
25 minutes. Depending on how you drive, okay?
Yeah.
But I think where we live is like perfect. Because we're not like in the city, but we're next to a city. And the surrounding cities. I mean, for people who like to drive, an hour away is not far at all. But an hour of driving for me is like 5 days.
No, it isn't. You did it.
Yeah, but that's the way it feels. An hour of driving for me feels like 5 hours. Really.
We go here.
Because I'm anxious the whole entire time.
So go here. Not come from this way.
All right. They have the Old Navy outlet.
Yeah.
They have H&M. They got J. Crew. Eddie Bauer.
Yeah, we always come here.
Williams Sonoma. I don't even know who that is. And
That's
Marquee Cinema.
Yeah, but there's more.
Continue for 3/4
Oh, but there's more. You
mile.
want to see? Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
What the heck? Got it? Got what you're getting? What are you getting there, Susan? Oh, I remember stealing those cookies from you when I was a kid.
They got
Those were the
regular.
good cookies. Nah, no, I'm not gonna get one.
No? 125.
Oh, 25% off, $20 or more.
Yes, but here, if it has a black line on it.
Oh, those are good too.
Okay, I got. Oh my. That's enough.
All your goodies.
I guess I'll have to put it in the bag.
Yep. So, mom just used her senior citizen discount. You know what the best part is? You don't look like a senior citizen. Yeah, but you don't look like it, but look at that bag.
Pepperidge
Oh,
Farm.
there's Justice here. Oh, wow. Auntie loves Justice.
Yes, of course. Every kid loves that.
Every little girl loves Justice. So here's bag number 1. She got all her goodies in there. She's gonna
Pay for yours.
$3. Well, are you? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Excuse. This is my scent. This is my scent right here. Okay, that was embarrassing. I just smelled the thing and it went all over my face. I'm scared to smell it now. Amber Glow Cashmere. Okay, so I had to take my happy ass outside because I would have been broke if I stayed up in here. So I'm outside smoking a cigarette. This is everything that I got. Oh yeah, I found some deals, man. I spent about 50 bucks. But let me tell you, I got you something. Whoever wins it. The only messed up part is that shipping is a B. Okay? Oh my god, that junk was so funny. When I went in there, I went and smelled the damn stuff. And this shit got all over my freaking face, my whole nose. And people saw me. So now I'm waiting for Ma. There's a couple places that I want to go into. we got, they almost got me because these are $3, but these were $4. No, $5. So they were $2.50 each. So I saved 50 cents. Hey, which means I saved a whole $1.50 because I bought 3 of them. So yeah. Sometimes you just gotta shop around, pinch a penny, pinch that penny. See? It's worth it to pinch a penny, ain't it? Some people will go around and say, oh, let me just buy this. I don't care how much it is. I like it, whatever. But if you can get more for the price of your penny, why the hell not? And I had a 25% discount. I wonder if Ma's gonna try to use her senior citizen discount here. She's another penny pincher. Shout out to Ma. Okay, so it is now dark.
5.
It is now, I never told them what time it was when we got there, so I don't know. It's about, how many hours you think? How many hours?
3.
3 hours. Okay, so we've been shopping for 3 hours. Meanwhile, I didn't bring a jacket,
freezing.
and I was freezing, yeah. So I was really looking for a long sleeve shirt to buy, to put underneath this, because it has holes in it, see? But I couldn't find one. But in the midst of looking for stuff, for the long sleeve shirt, I found stuff for Lalo at Hollister and Tony. And then we ended up going to H&M, and I tried on a pair of overalls, and they did not look right at all. I tried on an 8, and I tried on a 6.
In 300 feet, turn right
And the
towards
8
Rock Place.
looked weird, and it fit me, but the 6 did not fit me. I probably could have buttoned it up, because you know me, I'll squish myself into anything. But I was trying it on with these, because I was being lazy. Anyway, we went to Old Navy, and that's where I found these shirts. These, like Long John shirts. It says Old Navy
Head
in
north
gold,
towards
and I
Flat
thought that
Rock
would look
Place.
cute if I wear my gold earrings and the red in the Old Navy. It's kind of Christmassy, but we're still in the season, so who cares, right? Oh, and I got a white one. Oh, I got a white one. So now we haven't eaten all day, and it's time to go eat. I haven't eaten all day. I ate a piece of chicken all day long.
I had a banana.
She had a banana, and I had a chicken from last night. Just tiny little chicken. I don't even know how I do it. How do I do that? And coffee. And my coffee's gone. And I need to drink this Gatorade.
Yeah.
It's bad. I don't know why I do
The
that to my
Gatorade's
body.
on the floor.
I know. So now we're going to eat something. At, where's it called?
Christie's Restaurant.
Christie's Restaurant.
Says 3 minutes away.
Continue for 3/4
So,
of a mile.
I'll see you when we get there, and I'll show you what we're eating. And then we're going to eat, and then I'm going to close out the vlog. Okay? All right? Okay?
Yeah.
That's okay with you?
Yep.
This place is cute, guys. Little mom and pop's little diner. Yeah. Oh, we'll go. Oh, that's taken over there. I guess we'll go here. All right, so let's go over there. Want to go over there or no? No, I don't know if the, oh yeah, the cups do stay there.
But there's nothing in the cup.
Is this taken or no? No? Wow.
Right?
It's cute. Yeah. Look how happy she is here.
This is cute.
It is.
Teapot.
Look at the little teapot. The little teapot there for her tea. And the, oh, look at the little cups.
Water in.
Yeah.
I like this place.
It's plastic, I think. It's good. Here's the menu, guys.
Yeah, that's
I'm gonna get the cheese ravioli and a side. $2.99 for a salad.
boy, I don't see that. That's fine.
Yeah.
Get your salad.
Here we go. Lucky here. And I got some toast. And
Look
that's
at it, I got like
hers.
3 cups of tea.
Oh wow.
At least
There's the
2.
salad.
This is the pork.
Yep, pork. And there's what's underneath?
Sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut.
Never
Yummy.
had it like that.
You guys ever have pork with sauerkraut before?
Underneath. Sitting on
Underneath, not on top. Yummy. I wonder if this is vodka sauce.
Yeah, it might be.
Probably. Yep, it is. Bon appetit.
Green.
Guys,
Green.
she's gonna kill me.
Here we go.
She's gonna kill me. The whole way down this strip, she's trying to hit every green light.
Gotta be green.
Look at her, she's crazy. You can't even see her. I don't know if you're gonna make this one, Ma.
Yeah, I am.
Good.
We go.
How many? This is the red light lane.
No, it isn't.
Okay. Okay.
We're green.
I'm not gonna mess with her flow. All right. Okay.
We're green.
We're going 60 on a 45. No, we're not. No, we're not.
I gotta get in the right lane.
No, don't go now. There's a car right there.
Yeah, but he's the fast one. See, he's in the right lane.
He's probably racing like you are.
Green, green, green. Here we go.
Jeez.
Green.
Maybe they don't even turn red.
Oh no, I'm just the right speed. They turn red. I was hitting them before. Now they're all green. No, I ain't gonna. That's about it. It all happened from West Haven
All the way down
all
there.
the way here to Derby.
Oh, we made it.
From West Haven to Derby.
We made it alive. We made it here. We made it. All the way green.
Mm-hmm. This is orange, so that don't count, but I'm still green.
Yeah.
You see that green one?
Yep.
Okay,
It's
gotta
green.
Speed up a little bit.
Well, even if it
Keep it
turns
green.
yellow now, you're still gonna.
No, I gotta get the green.
You better hope there's no cops.
Gotta get the green. Say, I was trying to go green.
Go green! Go green, Susie! Oh! You made it! Holy cow! That was like 20 minutes of driving, and there must have been at least 20 lights.
All green.
No, how many lights you think there was?
I hit a couple of them.
A couple red lights?
Yeah.
Not-
I had to stop a few times. And then I sped up.
Yeah, but once you hit that green light, it was
green.
green all the way.
This is a light here. See, they didn't have that here.
And this is the light, and it's green.
That's it. We're on the highway. No lights.
I don't think that light ever turns red, though. That light. That
I know, but
green
that's a
arrow.
new light. They never had that.
Oh, that was the highlight of her life right here. Had to make sure my seatbelt worked properly.
It worked.